at Lake Jennings. This is gonna be an awesome day. It's gonna be an awesome adventure. We're gonna take these things out for a spin. Fun Riders Club San Diego is taking us out for a tour. So it's me, Lon, Art, Anira, and Greg. Some of my friends. It's gonna be a fun day. So now I'm gonna learn how to actually drive this thing. It looks complicated, but maybe not so much. Lon already got on there and she said it's just like driving a car. So let's check it out. And I get to wear the sweet carbon fiber helmet.
Pass Julian, go all the way down to Lake Cuyamaca. That's going to be our stop over there. Again, stretch, relax, walk around. Depends on the time. Do some pictures, and then we'll go down that route all the way to the 8. Okay. Before we're going to go on the freeway, we're going to stop. There is a parking lot over there, just to make sure that everybody is okay. Bike's running fine.
All right, we went through our safety check. Everybody knows what they're doing. Everybody knows how to ride these things, and Vadim just gave us a quick little overview. And now we're gonna do the first leg of the tour. And for the first leg of the tour, no cameras. We're just gonna get comfortable with the bikes and see how it goes. So let's roll. This is the view from the back of Vadim's bike. So let's go. Stop. What's the next stop?
San Isabel.
We're going to San Isabel next. Everybody wave. All right.
Okay, let's go.
We just had an amazing lunch. They packed an awesome lunch for us. It was great. And now we're gonna go to the next part of the trip. It's been a cool experience so far. Everybody's in good spirits. We had an awesome lunch conversation. It was pretty fun. So let's jump into this. Let's get into his bikes, or trikes, and get going.
It's fun, it's scenic, it's very relaxing.
Alright.
As a rider.
Greg, what do you think so far? About the bike? About the experience?
It's amazing. Great view, great company. Bike's awesome. It goes forward, back, left, and right.
It's awesome, man. It's parts of San Diego you don't get to see that often. It's gorgeous out here. Perfect day for it.
Cool.
I love it. Let's do it again.
Thank you again, man.
Welcome, dude.
Yeah, great meeting you.
Nice meeting you. Take care.
Take care. I gotta give this comes back.
Trip.
Thank you, Fun Riders SD.
Oh, bro, man.
What did you say?
He said fun in there.
Fun Riders Club.
Oh, there's a club.
Oh.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Thank you, Fun Riders Club SD.
Oh, you didn't say it.
There's a woo.
And then a jump at the end.
A rocky jump. Feet off the ground completely. Ready?
Right. Thank you, Fun Riders Club SD.
SD.
What did I say?